What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be going over dictionaries. Dictionaries to me are very fun. They're also very important. Oh, excuse me. Let's get right into it. So first of all, a dictionary is a collection of data, but they're arranged in key value pairs. So what do I mean by key value pairs? Well, if we just declare a dictionary called my_dict, and when we declare a dictionary, we're always going to use curly brackets. So list, we use brackets. Dictionaries, we use curly brackets. So a key value pair, it will be the key, which is what I'm about to type here. This will be a string. Okay, it'll be arranged like this. Then we're going to do a colon, and then we're going to put a value. The value can be any data type. So right now I'm just going to put my name. So my name, that's a string. And we can also, to declare another value, we separate the key value pairs by commas. So let's do age. Let's say 65. Let's do occupation. Let's say I'm retired. And let's do living. Let's get a boolean in here. Let's say that's true. Let's say I am alive. Okay, so we have 4 key value pairs here. Remember, we have the key, this is a string, colon, value. Okay, 3 things to remember about dictionaries. 1, dictionaries as a Python 3.7, dictionaries are ordered, okay? So Python does keep track of when you put an item in a dictionary. They are also changeable, so we can add, we can remove items from dictionaries. Okay, we can edit items in dictionaries. And last thing, this is very important, dictionaries do not allow duplicates. Unlike lists, remember lists do allow duplicates, dictionaries do not. We can see why here. So think about it. Each key is assigned to a value, right? So if we try to do this wouldn't really make much sense, right? We have 2 names, but actually to show you why this is weird or incorrect, let's try to access a value. So print my_dict. In order to access the value, we're gonna print the key. So we're gonna put brackets, and then we're gonna put the key. I put value. The name of the key inside of the brackets. So my dict and the brackets and the name of the key. Okay. So if I wanted to get the name, it's gonna print the latest name. But what if I wanted this name? We can't get it because we have 2 names. So the thing about dictionaries is that the reason why they're so useful is because each value is assigned to a unique name. You can have multiple values. So we can have, I don't know, let's just say last name, and say our last, actually let me do camel case. Say my last name is Amari for some reason. Well, we can do that. We can have the same value. We just can't have the same key, okay? So just remember that keys, they are not, dictionaries do not allow duplicates. Alright, so I just showed you how to access a value. We can also add values to dictionaries. So to declare a new value, we can do my_dict, and what's a good, I don't know, name, age, occupation, living.
2 hours later.
Okay, it actually took me a minute to come up with a decent value name, a key name, I mean. Let's just do last name, just like we had before. So let's say my last name is Doe. So now we print my_dict. Let's print it before and after to show you what it's doing. So here, the first one, it's just the original dictionary with no last name, then what we do is we assign the value doe to the key last name, and it appends it to the end of the dictionary. Okay? So it's kind of like using the append method in list. We can also change the values of dictionary of values in dictionaries. So let's do my_dict. Remember, access the key. Let's do name. Actually, let's do age. Let's set that equal to 45. Let's print my_dict. Now you can see in the last print statement, age is now 45 instead of 65. Okay? We can also remove items from dictionaries. So we can use the pop method. So say I wanted to remove the last name, we can do my_dict.pop, and then name, you want to put the name with the key. So last name, and now let's print my_dict. And it no longer has last name. Okay, so remember, dictionaries are changeable, so we can do all these methods. We can add, change, we can remove items from dictionaries just fine. We can also loop through dictionaries, I'm sorry. So let me actually delete all these print statements. Let's do so to get all the keys, so when we're working with like JSON or APIs, which we'll talk about later, you may want to access all the keys. If you don't know the keys, you may not know the keys like we have here. So what we can do is we can do for I in my_dict. We can print I, and this will just print all the keys line by line. To get the values line by line, we can do for I in my_dict. And then remember, since I is the key, and to access the key we use this syntax. We're going to put my_dict, and in brackets we're going to print I, so this will get all the values. Okay? Now, we can also get both the keys and the values. So I'm actually going to change this syntax a little bit. I'm going to put for key the value in my_dict.items. So in order to get the key and value, we have to use the items method on the dictionary, or else it will give an error. And then we can just print the key and value. This will just print each key and value side by side with the space in between, just like this. So name and then Amari and age 65. We can loop the dictionaries, I'm sorry. We can also just print like the values. So print my_dict.keys. We could also print the keys, so print my_dict.keys.
7 hours later.
I'm sorry guys, I forgot the brackets, the braces So this would just print all the keys. We can do the same thing for the values. So just to see that what keys, what values we have instead of looping through them. The last thing I'll talk about is deleting dictionaries. So we can delete dictionaries. You see we have my_dict. We can use the del keyword to delete dictionaries. So del my_dict. And now if we try and print this out, we will get an error because it is not defined. It does not exist. So that is dictionaries in this video. In the next video, we're actually going to use dictionaries. We're going to create rock, paper, scissors, a little small project. I believe that projects are the best way to learn any programming language because you're applying the skills. So yeah, that's what we're going to do next video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take it easy.